As a creator, as a YouTuber, video editing is a very important skill, a very vital aspect of growing your YouTube channel. So whether you are a small creator with less than 1,000 subscribers, you have tens of thousands of subscribers, you have over 100,000 subscribers, video editing is something you have to learn. So in this video, we are going to cover 5 best video editors or editing apps you need to know and use as a creator. I will cover basic things you need to know about each and every one of these video editors. We will look at the ones that are free, the ones that are premium. We will look at the ones that are beginner friendly, the intermediate and professional level editors. We will talk about how to get each and every one of them and even how much it will cost you to get the pro version of those apps. We will start with the basic ones because I know you are beginning and you want to know the ones that you can start with. So if you've never edited for the first time in your life and you're looking for that editing app you can start with immediately, this video is for you. And if you are already an established editor and you're looking to learn more about other editors or editing apps, this video will also help you a whole lot. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight in. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk about making money and growing your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you want, go on and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Let's dive straight in. So the first video editor on my list today is that one video editor that is on the lips of everyone. Like everyone knows about it. It is beginner friendly. It is easy to use. It has free version that allows you to edit your videos. If you've never done editing in your life for the first time, this app will help you get started because it has a simple to learn and use interface. In simple terms, this editing app is beginner friendly. Interestingly, it's available on all devices, Windows, Mac, and even smartphones. So no matter the gadget you use, you'll be able to use this editing app. It has all the basic and advanced features, transition, animation, cutting, and all of the things you can think of. The free version is value packed. I mean, you can actually do what you want to do with the free version. And the pro version offers even more features. Here is what it costs to get this editor. Now, guess what this editor is? CapCut. Yes, it's actually what I used in editing this video you are watching right now. Like I said, it has both free and premium versions. With the free version, you can do basic things you need. If you're a beginner, this is an app I recommend. The second video editor on our list is yet amazing video editing app. It's actually what I started with when I started my editing, and it is beginner friendly. When I say beginner friendly, this editing app is beginner friendly. If you've never done editing before, you will understand the language and blend nicely in a very short time. The interface is simple and easy to use. It's actually in a direct competition with CapCut. This editor is beginner friendly, simple to use and understand interface. It has free and pro version. It's available on mobile devices. Basic features are absolutely free to use, and the pro version are what you're going to pay to start using. Like I said, I started with this editing and it's amazing. The name of this editor is called InShot. There are a couple of InShot features that are better than CapCut and vice versa. If you are a beginner, you haven't done any editing before, this app is a good start because the interface is easy to understand and use. This is how much it costs to get the pro version of InShot. Let's move on to intermediate level editors. DaVinci Resolve. This editing app is amazing. If you already have basic knowledge of editing and you want to upskill, this app is definitely for you. It's best used on computer. Here are some amazing facts about this editor. It is known for stability. It doesn't crash easily like most other advanced editors. All tools for editing are inbuilt, which means all the amazing features you need to manipulate your videos and get amazing results are inbuilt. Transitions, B-rolls, animation, text, whatever you want to do are all inbuilt in this app, which makes it super easy for anyone looking to upgrade their editing skill to use and manipulate. DaVinci is easy to use and it has free packages which comes with amazing features. So if you want to upscale and you do not want to make some financial commitment, the basic features will do amazing results for you. And this is the paid studio. As you can see here, it is said that these features are used by Hollywood editors. which means if you start using this editor, you're going to be using the exact editing features that Hollywood movie editors use. Amazing, right? Here are even more amazing features about this editor that I love. The fourth editor on our list is Final Cut Pro. This editor is user friendly and easy to use too. So if you have an intermediate skill and you're looking for easy to use editor, this is definitely one editor you should be looking at right now. It has all the editing and manipulation features I've mentioned so far, cutting out mistakes, b-rolls, animation, text, and all of these features that will enable you to achieve flawless, beautiful, and amazing videos. This editor works best on Mac and it is not free. It actually requires a one-time payment. So when you make a one-time payment, you have access to it. This works best on Mac and it is not free. It doesn't even have a free version, but it's a one-time payment. So when you make a one-time payment, you have access to it for as long as you want to use it. This is what it costs to have access to this editor. And the fifth editor is, you guessed right, Adobe Premiere Pro. We can't talk about editors without this amazing app. Adobe Premiere Pro has all features and advanced tools for editing, works with all other Adobe apps like After Effects. One amazing feature about this tool that I love so much is integration of AI features. For example, auto reframing tools, which is something that helps you with repurposing content. It actually converts a YouTube long video content to a short video or even TikTok video. So it's an amazing feature that I love so much about this tool. It's actually what a lot of professional editors use in their editing because it allows you to achieve a lot of video manipulations that leaves people wowing at the end of the day. Another AI feature that's worth mentioning is speech to text tool, which means you can actually convert your speeches to text, and this is where you are speaking something in the video and what you are saying is being written on the screen. It's an amazing feature that improves the quality of a video. You get it all in the Adobe Premiere Pro. Finally, on whether it's beginner friendly and free or not, well, Adobe Premiere Pro is not free and it's not beginner friendly. If you've not done editing before, you don't have any business using this tool because you cannot use it except you are a full-time editor. So that is it, guys. 5 video editors or editing apps for content creators, for YouTubers. Let me know in the comment section which of these editors have you used? Which of them are you currently using? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to connect with other creators if you are a small creator looking to grow and monetize your YouTube channel as soon as possible. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. I will appreciate that and it will help YouTube to push it for many more people to see. See you in my next. Bye.